In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Loop Workspace. By the end, you'll have a clean shared space where your team can plan, brainstorm, and track work together all in one place. First, open Microsoft Loop. You can launch the desktop app if you have it installed, or head to the Loop website in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, use your work or school account so your workspace stays connected to your organization. If your company uses multiple environments, make sure you're in the right one before you continue. Once Loop opens, you'll land on the home area where all your workspaces live. Next, create your new space. Look for the New Workspace button. Depending on your screen size, you might see it in the left sidebar at the top of the page or represented by a plus icon. Click it to start a fresh workspace. This creates the container where all your pages and components will live and where your team will collaborate. Now, give your workspace a name and a description. Choose a name that's short, clear, and instantly recognizable, like the project title and team or quarter. A good name helps everyone find it quickly in search and in their sidebar. In the description box, add a helpful one-liner that sets expectations such as the purpose, timeline, or how you plan to use the space. Keep it concise but informative. Avoid putting sensitive details here. Think of it as a welcome sign for anyone joining. If your organization uses naming conventions, follow them to keep everything consistent and easy to browse. Finally, invite members to the workspace. Use the invite field to add the colleagues who need to contribute or stay informed. You can start typing their names if your directory is connected or enter their work email addresses. Be intentional about who you add so notifications stay relevant. If not everyone needs to join on day one, that's fine. You can always invite more people later. When you send the invites, your teammates will receive access and can jump in right away. A quick tip, after inviting, consider posting a short welcome note in the description or the first page to explain how you'd like people to use the workspace, such as where to add notes or how to label tasks. And that's it. You opened Microsoft Loop, created a new workspace, named it with a clear description, and invited the right people. You're ready to collaborate with your team in one organized place.